by and take a look at the 2019
Jaguar XE. The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads.
and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.